Guess who is ready for school? I turn around. Turn around. Okay, so this is how we did. Sorry, first I'm wash it for you. So this is how we did.
Talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it, your favorite gift.
Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay. It's almost Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay. I know you be carrying a load. Just touched down from the North Pole. Your ride was so icy and cold. Wanna come in from the snow. Well, inside it's warm and dry. We can get real close by the fire. See, I know you're such a giving guy, but now it's your time to unwind. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney. I want you here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. Sleigh bells jingling, sounds like top of mingling to my ears. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney. I want you here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. Let's engage in some holiday cheer. I had your milk and cookies right here, and let me make it plain. Naughty and nice, I'll keep it sweet as candy canes. By the top of the eggnog, we can have some fun. There's so much to be done, stockings to be stuffed. My home is your home, make yourself comfortable. By the way, did you notice the mistletoe? And Santa, this year I didn't send you a letter. Thought it'd be better if I wrote you this carol. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney. I want you here with me, here with me, here with me, here with me. Sleigh bells jingling, sounds like top of mingling to my ear. Santa, come down my chimney, 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 chimney.
Good job. Guess who is ready for school? I turn around. Smile at me now. I give me a kiss. I say bye bye. Hi baby. Are you excited to go to school? Bye. Bye-bye.
2,000 years later.
My baby girl. I stand there. I turn around. See it? Oh, my baby girl. JD, leave this bag. Leave me. Will you remove your face? JD, go back. Video how she ate her food. Oh God, guys. Mama, you did not cover it. They did not cover your this thing. So, aha, finish the juice. You finished your juice.
What another one?
You liked it? You liked your juice? Okay. Let us see. So she finished her. Hey, Mama, stop it. I'm using one hand, guys. She finished her. You ate your cooking bar.
I want to eat this fork.
You want to eat with your fork again? Okay. So this is how we did. Sorry, Fortune will wash it for you. So this is how we did. You even remember small plantain, Seth. Let's see. There's no light as usual, guys. That's why I am. Okay. See the rice and our chicken. Oh yeah, take it inside. Oh yeah, take it inside. You want to eat it again? Oh yeah, take it inside. Let's go and eat. So that's how we did. Oh yeah, carry it.
Back to school. Lunch for my munchkin.
Have your lunch.
Yes, I do.
Do you have your teddy?
Yes, I do.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too. But it will be okay on my first day of school.
Will you greet your teacher?
Yes, I will.
Will you make new friends?
Yes, I will.
Will you play some games?
Yes, I will.
Will you learn new things?
Yes, I will.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn